வணக்கம். Welcome to Learn Tamil through English. Lesson 9 Combined Letters. So in this video we are going to see combination of two letters, that is consonants plus vowels. So all the 18 consonants will mingle with vowel R to OW. By that we can get the combined letters. It is known as in Tamil உயிர் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். உயிர் மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். So உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். உயிர்மெய் means உயிரெழுத்து plus மெய் எழுத்து. Both the sounds mingle together. So we can say it as an example. When we add sugar in the milk, we can't see the sugar inside because it is saturated in that. At the end, you can taste it, the sweetness. Likewise, in உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், it is mingled in such a way like milk and sugar. You can't bifurcate both the sounds, but at the ending sound will be vowel sound. The ending sound is vowel sound. See, for example, so ik plus a join together like milk and sugar, but the ending sound is k, a. A is the ending sound. Clear? Like that, all the letters will be formed in these combined letters, that is உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். In this video, 18 consonants plus உயிரெழுத்து a. Then 18 consonants plus உயிரெழுத்து a. Both we are going to see in this video. Let's go to the class. See, மெய்யெழுத்து plus உயிரெழுத்து equals to உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Okay, உயிர்மெய் is a one word. You should not give gap in between. This உயிர்மெய் is one word, that is combined letters. So here மெய்யெழுத்து plus a உயிரெழுத்து. For writing a, what is the method of writing? You just no dot. You should not put the dot above the மெய்யெழுத்து. Ik plus a. The first column letters are மெய்யெழுத்து plus a is a உயிரெழுத்து, that is vowel. When both join together, we can get the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து k. Okay, I have written in English also in another column so that you can have any doubt, you can clarify here. Ik plus a equals to k. K. Okay, a is the உயிர் குறில், குறில் எழுத்து. Kuril means short sound vowel. So k. That's it. Ik plus a k. Ik plus a k. Ing plus a nga. Ing plus a nga. Ich plus a cha. Ich plus a cha. Inj plus a nya. Inj plus a nya. It plus a ta. It plus a ta. In plus a na. In plus a na. It plus a ta. It plus a ta. Ind plus a na. Ind plus a na. Ip plus a pa. Ip plus a pa. Im plus a ma. Im plus a ma. E plus a ya. E plus a ya. Ir plus a ra. Ir plus a ra. Il plus a la. Il plus a la. U plus a va. U plus a va. Il plus a ra. Il plus a ra. Il plus a la. Il plus a la. Ir plus a ra. Ir plus a ra. In plus a na. In plus a na. Clear? So in this, the first letters are மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், that is consonants. The second letters are a, vowel. So this column all letters are combined letters. That is nothing but மெய்யெழுத்து plus உயிரெழுத்து. Both the letters join together and form a single letter. So for writing this I ending sound உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து, we are not putting the dot. You just see here. You just see in this page. All kanga cha. There is no dot at all. But the remaining shape is the same. See, this shape is same. There is no change at all. Only thing, if you are not keeping the dot, if you are not put the dot, it will become உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து kanga cha like that. Clear? Let's see now மெய்யெழுத்து plus ஆ உயிர் எழுத்து. First we have seen a, now a. This is long sound vowel, நெடில் எழுத்து. So for writing this kind of letter, how to write this? Just you have to add துணைக்கால். This shape is known as துணைக்கால். One horizontal line, leave space, another one. This is துணைக்கால். When you add this துணைக்கால் with all kanga chanya, that is I ending உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து, just adding this, you will get the sound like ka. This letter represents ka, nga, like that. Clear? So this is, as it is a long sound vowel, there are two shapes, but it is considered as one letter. That you should know very well. Even though it has two shapes, but it is considered as one letter, ka. So this symbol represents a ending sound. But as such, when the symbol comes alone, it has no value. You can't pronounce it. When any letter comes before it, then only it can get the a sound. Clear? Let's see. Ik plus a, ka. Ik plus a, ka. So for long sound, I just type double A. Ing plus a, nga. Ing plus a, nga. Ich plus a, cha. Ich plus a, cha. Inch plus a, nya. Inch plus a, nya. It plus a, ta. It plus a, ta. In plus a, na. In plus a, na. It plus a, ta. It plus a, ta. Ind plus a, na. Ind plus a, na. Ip plus a, pa. Ip plus a, pa. Im plus a, ma. Im plus a, ma. E plus a, ya. E plus a, ya. Ir plus a, ra. Ir plus a, ra. Il plus a, la. Il plus a, la. Iv plus a, va. Iv plus a, va. Il plus a, ra. Il plus a, ra. Il plus a, la. Il plus a, la. Ir plus a, ra. Ir plus a, ra. In plus a, na. In plus a, na. Clear everyone? The first letters all are மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், that is with dotted. Then second one is plus உயிரெழுத்து ஆ, that is a long sound vowel. When these two combine together, we'll get the combined letter உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து லா, ரா, நா, like this. For identifying, just we are adding a துணைக்கால் nearby. Clear? Let me read all these. Suppose மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் means you will put the dot, icking, itching. So without writing the dot. Without keeping the dot, just simply writing the shape, it is combined letters of ka, nga, cha, nya, like that. A ending sound, உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. A ending sound, உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. Ka, ka, nga, nga, cha, cha, nya, nya, ta, ta, na, na, ta, ta, na, na, pa, pa, ma, ma, ya, ya, ra, ra, la, la, va, va, ja, ja, la, la, ra, ra, na, na. Clear everyone? So let us go to the long sound. A ending sound, உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து. See, in this all these 18 letters, just I have added துணைக்கால். See, uniform. This is uniform. There is no change. So all the letters will have next one more shape, namely துணைக்கால். When we write like this, it is a combined letters of ending a sound letters. Ending with a. When we write ka, it will become ka. Before this, when we write pa, pa. When we write va nearby துணைக்கால், va. Ya nearby துணைக்கால், ya. Ta nearby துணைக்கால், ta. Nya nearby துணைக்கால், nya. ஞாயிறு. A word is there in Tamil. ஞாயிறு means sun, Suryan. Ta nearby துணைக்கால், ta. So, there is uniformity in all 18 letters. No change. Just you are adding with kanga, chanya nearby a துணைக்கால். It gives combined letters ending with a sound. Okay, let us read all the 18. Ka, ka, nga, nga, cha, cha, nya, nya, ta, ta, na, na, ta, ta, na, na, pa, pa, ma, ma, ya, ya, ra, ra, la, la, va, va, ya, 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 la, la, ra, ra, na, na. Clear? So, in this video we have seen two types of உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். That is one ending with a sound, another ending with a sound. Let us see in the next class, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் added with e and e. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.